Hi guys! Welcome to my channel Glitter and Sky. Today I'm going to show you the unboxing of my new Cricut Explore Air 2. This machine, I got this as a gift for myself, and I bought this machine from Michaels, and I forgot how much the price, but definitely I got this on sale. So without further ado, let's dive into the unboxing of my new Cricut Explore Air 2. So the machine comes with a blue mat, or the light crepe mat of the Cricut, which you can use for your projects. And then the machine itself is protected by some packaging materials, and it comes with a packet. It's a warranty information and some starter guide booklet or packet. So the machine is protected and covered with a thin styrofoam sheet. So just carefully take it off, and it's just for the protection of the entire machine. And I got my machine in a light mint color. I love this color. This is the one that I chose because I like the mint. But I think Cricut has some other colors for the Explorer Air. But I got this because I like this color, the mint color. So both end of the machine, it is wrapped and protected by the plastic wrap. Just take it off, and it's just for protection for the dial and for the buttons of the machine. So on the right top of the machine goes the power button, and then also the machine is held in place with a like little tape on it. You can just take it off, and the machine has some buttons, the power buttons, the dial for whenever you want to customize some projects. There's specific dials for it. And also the machine comes with a power cord, a USB cord, and also it comes with a Cricut pen. And you can use that for your future projects, like for writing. If you want to write for some cardstocks, you can use the pen, and also the light crepe mat, and the packet that comes with it. This packet has the warranty information, and it also has the getting started guide packet. The package also comes with a welcome note and some cardstock pieces, which you can use if you want to have some tests, or you want to test the machine for some cut projects. And then this is the getting started guide, which is a step-by-step guide on how to set up the machine. By the way, the machine, the Explore Air 2, is Bluetooth compatible, but you'll need to connect it via USB cord to get it all set up. So after you unbox your machine, the next step you need to do is to set up a Design Space app, which is totally free. You just need to go to cricut.com/setup to download the Design Space and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup process. So once you downloaded the Design Space app, it will prompt you to like a screen where you can find hundreds of designs or images which you can use onto your future projects. There are like hundreds of them, from fabrics to cards to mags. There are a lot of design. You can also have your own design. You can also upload your own SVGs if you like. And if you want to make a new project, you can customize any project that you like. And this is the canvas of the design space where you can work or design your own project. So if you click, there's a templates that you can use. You can follow these templates for your projects. And there are also images that you can use or you can customize. Some are free and some you need to have an access or subscribe to it to have an access for it. And you can see it under the design space app. And you can also save some of your or most of your projects, your own design, your own projects that you can make in the future. So there you go, guys. That's the design space, and I hope you learned something from this video. And please like and subscribe so you can be notified for my future vlogs and tutorials, and we can have more projects and we can make beautiful projects together. I hope you like this video and thank you for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye.